Hi guys, a quick cryptocurrency video for my Canadians here. A lot of people have been asking me, how do I deposit funds to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and how do I withdraw my funds after I sell it? So here you go. Once you're in Shakepay, you can tap add funds. Make sure you add your photo ID, do your KYC, get approved and everything. They are speeding up the process hiring new team members, so bear with Shakepay. I got an email saying that they are speeding things up. Now, if you look at add funds, interact ETransfer, you can send via ETransfer, wire transfer, Ethereum, Bitcoin directly in from another wallet. In this case, we're going to do ETransfer here. You're going to send your information to this email address. This is the password and questions, etc. You want to make sure you put this in. And yeah, send your money. That's pretty much it. Once you receive a balance, you'll see the Canadian dollars here. You can tap the double arrows to make a purchase or a limit purchase. Instant purchase is you buy it right away at the current value of Bitcoin. And tap Ethereum, current value of Ethereum. Now, Shakepay makes a little bit of markup on this. That's how they make their funds, okay? Because there's no fees for the trading. Now, if you want to be a little smarter, tap double arrows, do limit order. So you can predict, Ethereum's going to be at a specific price, say 1,500, right? And then when it goes downward, you can buy in at that. It triggers at that price that you want. Same with the sell orders, okay? Now, once you have your funds sold, your Ethereum or Bitcoin sold, to transfer it back to your bank, you're going to tap send, okay? Send cash out to my bank. Choose the amount. I don't recommend you selling your crypto right now, guys. I recommend you guys hodling and holding. Tap continue. That's the security answer. Tap confirm. After that, you're going to receive that e-transfer from Shakepay in your bank, and then you just deposit, okay? That's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. And people have been asking me about that, so I want to record a quick video for you guys. Now, please like this video, and please join my team and subscribe. I'm looking to get more subscribers for my channel to get over that 1,000 subscribers. Once I do reach 1,000 subscribers, anyone that comments below, anyone in the comment section will get a chance to win some free crypto from me, okay? So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Hopefully I earned your subscription today, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, one other thing. If you want a free $30 bonus, when you deposit $100 with Shakepay, use my direct link. I have a referral link, and if you deposit $100, you're gonna get $30. That's a 30% increase on your $100 spend. Okay, that's huge. And while the market is a little volatile right now, a little bit red, that's a good opportunity to buy. Okay, not when it's moving up, but when it's moving down slightly. All right, appreciate you guys, love you guys, and don't forget to shake your sats as well. I'm gonna give it a quick shake here. If you shake your phone while you're in the app, there you go, free Bitcoin. Let's get it. See you in the next one, guys. I forgot to shake yesterday, but we're back on. See ya.